Perfect catch performance with total false alarm immunity. This is the ultimate goal of intrusion detection. No detector gets closer than the new BOSCH Professional Series. The key is our revolutionary sensor data fusion technology. While other motion detectors simply react to input from one or two sensors, BOSCH Professional Series detectors actually integrate and process data from up to 5 different sensors to make the world's most intelligent alarm decisions. An internal microprocessor constantly adjusts and balances sensitivities, improving catch performance by an average of 35% and virtually eliminating false alarms. Professional Series detectors excel in situations that confuse other detectors. When car headlights sweep across the detector, the long and short-range PIR sensors, as well as the white light sensor, respond. Because the data is perfectly synchronized, the microprocessor determines that this is not a valid alarm condition. But what happens when an intruder tries to trick the detector by using a flashlight to mimic car headlights? The long-range PIR senses heat at a distance. The short-range PIR does not sense heat, and the white light sensor detects the flashlight sweeps. The microwave sensor detects movement. But unlike actual car headlights, in this situation, the data is not synchronized. The microprocessor recognizes this and triggers the alarm. Small animals are a notorious cause of false alarms. Only the short-range PIR detects a mouse at 4.5 meters or 15 feet. When the short-range PIR detects motion, but the long-range does not, the microprocessor raises the alarm threshold of the microwave sensor. Because the mouse reflects a very small area to the microwave sensor, the threshold is not reached, and no alarm is triggered. What happens when the temperature in a room is close to an intruder's body temperature? Most detectors simply increase the PIR sensitivity as room temperature increases. While this can improve catch performance, it also increases the chance of false alarms at high temperatures. With BOSCH Professional Series detectors, the sensor gain increases until the room temperature reaches 36.5 degrees centigrade or 97.7 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature of human skin. But once the ambient temperature exceeds 36.5 degrees centigrade or 97.7 degrees Fahrenheit, the sensitivity decreases, minimizing false alarms. Select Professional Series detectors also feature multi-point anti-mask technology with integrated spray detection. This combination of patented prism lenses and active infrared sensors protects against attempts to disable the detector while the system is disarmed. When an intruder tries to cover the detector or place an object in front of it, this industry-leading technology responds, regardless of the material being used. Fabric, paper, metal, plastic, tape, or spray, the BOSCH Professional Series will detect them all and immediately notify the system, signaling trouble. Such sophisticated technology has never been simpler to install. Features like sealed optics and electronics, flexible mounting height, plug-in terminal strips, and a built-in bubble level reduce installation time by 25%. And because they allow the user to adapt the coverage area so easily, a small inventory is all that's required to secure nearly every application. 35% better catch performance, near perfect false alarm immunity, all with 25% less installation time. The BOSCH Professional Series Intrusion Detector with sensor data fusion is a true breakthrough in intelligent security.